Hey guys, wish you're all doing great. This is Rohit here from R.A Tech, and today we have with us one of the first budget-oriented phones to come out with the 18:9 aspect ratio or the FullVision Display, the LG Q6 Plus. In this video, let's unbox it and have a quick look. Just before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button, which would notify you of all the content I post and help you to help me to get to that 1000 subscriber milestone. Starting off with the box, at the front we have the smartphone taunting its 18:9 display. The left, the top and the bottom host the LG Q6 Plus branding. The right side of the box has the price, SAR rating and other information regarding the smartphone. While at the back we have some of the key features of the smartphone listed out, which we will be taking a look later on in the video. Now that we're done with the box, let's get on to the unboxing. The box has another box inside, which when opened greets us with the LG Q6 Plus itself up top. Let's keep that aside just for the moment and take a look at the contents of the box. We get a cleaning, quick start guide, and also host the SIM removal tool. We have the warranty terms and conditions, we have the earphones inside a box placed safely, we have the charger, and the charging/data transfer cable. Taking a look at the smartphone, I should say it does look really good in person, especially with that 18:9 display and a screen to body ratio of 79.05%. The back side of the smartphone hosts the 13 megapixel CMOS camera along with the LED flash that can record up to 1080p video, which is full HD at 30 frames per second. Although the back side, because of its reflective surface, looks like it's made of glass, it's not. It is made of glossy reflective plastic that is prone to scratches, so it's best that you slap in a case. The back also hosts the Q6 Plus logo and the speakers. The phone is made of 7000 series aluminum all around, and this makes it US military standard 810G certified, which is great, and it feels a tad premium to hold in the hand too. The right side has the power button, while the left side has the volume rockers and the dual SIM and micro SD card slot, which can be accessed using the SIM removal tool provided with the phone itself. The phone also supports expandable memory up to 2 terabytes, which is far more than an average person would require for everyday usage, and that is a great addition. The bottom of the phone fortunately has a 3.5mm headphone jack, but unfortunately misses out on the USB Type-C for the traditional micro USB port. Moving on to the front has a 5 megapixel selfie camera with a support for 100-degree wide angle selfies, and we obviously also have the earpiece. Now that we're done with taking a look around the phone, let's turn on the phone while talking about the specifications. The phone comes powered by an octa-core Snapdragon 435 chipset, which is a mid-range chipset and not the top of the line one. It also has Adreno 505 GPU, a 3000 mAh battery, 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of internal storage, which again is expandable, a gorgeous looking 5.5-inch Full HD Plus screen, which has a resolution of 1080 into 2160 pixels, which is great, which is also higher than Full HD and has a pixel density of 442 ppi, which just for reference is higher than the pixel density provided in the iPhone XR. As you can see, I've set up my phone, installed some apps and have installed Nova Launcher, which I feel comfortable using. Initial impressions, the device feels great to hold and use. It doesn't feel too big to hold and the reach is quite good too. The device feels snappy, flicking our way through as you can see, and now runs on Android Oreo 8.1. after I just updated it out of the box. The device unfortunately does not have fingerprint scanner, but rather has only secure face unlock, which is a very obvious cost cutting measure. The smartphone also has several specialized settings such as various themes, personalization options for navigation menus, and so on, which we'll take a closer look at my detailed review video, so make sure you stay subscribed. Initial impressions seem quite positive, especially with all the offers offered on this device at the moment. That pretty much wraps up everything for the video. Make sure you like the video if you liked it and comment your thoughts on the device for the year 2019. Stay tuned and subscribe for my detailed review that will come out very soon. Until then, this is Rohit here from R.A Tech signing off.